Hi everyone. In this series of video, I want to invite you together with me on a journey to work out the solution for 2024 GCE O-Level Additional Mathematics exam for both paper 1 and paper 2. I'm sure we're going to have lots of fun together while we learn along the journey. Now let's start by looking at paper 1, question 1. A circular patch of oil is forming on the surface of the sea due to an oil leak. At 0800 hours, the radius of the patch is 40 meters and the area of the patch is increasing at the rate of 250 meters squared per hour. Now, can you tell me 250 meters squared per hour, are we talking about dA over dt at this time when R equal to 40 meters at 0800 hours, right? Now, the question wants us to find the rate of increase of the radius at 800 hours, which is they want us to find dr over dt at 800 hours or when r equal to 40 meters, interchangeable, right? Okay, now let's look at how we work out the solution together now. Now we need to find dr over dt, so let's look at dr over dt. Let's form a relationship. This is equal to dr over dA multiplied by dA over dt, which we have, and we know that at 40 meter when it was 800 hours, this dA over dt is 250 meters squared per hour, right? Now applying change rule, we can get dr over dt with this formula. Now, next we need to find dr over dA, which is inverse of dA over dr, right? So since it's a circular patch of oil, we have a relationship A equal to pi r squared for the oil, and then from there we can get a derivative of dA over dr. I'm going to show you how now. Now A equal to pi r squared, this is the relationship. dA over dr will be equal to 2 pi r, right? Therefore, dr over dA must be equal to 1 over 2 pi r, right? Therefore, dr over dt is equal to 1 over 2 pi r multiplied by dA over dt, right? Now, at 800 hours, R equal to 40 meter, and dA over dt is equal to 250 meters squared per hour, right? So the rate of increase of radius at this point, which is R equal to 40 meter, is equal to 1 over 2 pi 40 multiplied by 250. This is meter per hour. This is equal to 25 divided by 8 pi meter per hour. And if you were to use a calculator, it will work out to be 0.995 meter per hour, 3 significant figure. And so, with this, we have worked out the solution for dr over dt at r equal to 40 meter, which is equal to 0.995 meter per hour. And thank you for going through this together with me till the end of the video. Please continue to watch part 2 of the video and till the end of the whole series, right? Thank you very much.